What's going on, guys? Today we're out here with the ARRMA Fireteam. It's a 6S vehicle from ARRMA. It's essentially the same chassis as the Mojave and the 6S Creighton. We picked this thing up on Black Friday for a crazy deal. It was $399 instead of $659, I think it normally is. Yeah, so we couldn't pass it up for that price. Let's come in and take a look at it. Looking truck. There's not really nothing else that looks like it as far as the body and the wheels and everything. Let's go ahead and take the body off and see underneath the electronics. It does run on the Spectrum, the 6S system. It's the same as what's in the Creighton and the Mojave as well. One other cool thing about this truck is it does come with the handbrake module, just like the Infraction, the V2 does. So if you want to lock up the back wheels and slide it around while you're out there bashing around. So we'll see how it handles and get it out here and put it to the test.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow. That was cool.
That was perfect. See if we can do it again. Oh, might have broke it. Let's see. Seems okay. Oh, I'm shocked. That's crazy. I'll say it does soak it up pretty good. That was sketchy, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. Well, that was fun. I would say if any of you guys are thinking about getting this thing, it is well worth it. This is probably the most fun I've had with an RC in a long time. We have some pretty cool ones, but I don't know, just the way this thing handles and the way it absorbs the jumps and the bumps and everything, it's freaking awesome. Didn't you like it, Morgan?
I did. I thought it was fun. It's very nice and smooth. The suspension's really good on it too.
Well, I'd say well worth the money. Stay tuned for some more videos, and we'll have some more posted of this and everything else RC. Thanks for watching.